I have not one, not two, not three, not even four, but 5 Pitaka cases for iPhone 16 Pro to showcase today. If you have watched my favorite cases video, you would know that I alternate between slim and leather cases on my iPhone. And as far as slim cases go, Pitaka is one of my favorite brands. And no, this video is not sponsored by Pitaka. It's sponsored by you guys. If you like any of these cases, use our links in the video description and pinned comments to purchase them. It will go a long way in supporting my channel. Let's start this video by unboxing the black Pitaka case for the iPhone 16 Pro. The unboxing experience is simple. You slide out the box from its cover and are presented with the case. I like this stealthy black color. With the case, you also got a few adhesive stickers that you can add to improve the fit of the case. For all the case I tested, I didn't need to use the stickers. While I unbox rest of the cases, let's talk about the specifications. All these cases are made with high quality aramid fibers. The material is durable and feels great in hand. It feels textured yet smooth at the same time. You have to get your hands on the case to experience what I am talking about. Despite the slim design, all these cases have strong magnet film, making them MagSafe compatible. Pitaka has said that they have increased the magnetic force by 0.1 kg, so you should get even better MagSafe performance now. The cases are less than 1 mm thick and weigh less than 20 grams, making them one of the thinnest and lightest iPhone 16 Pro cases. Despite the thin construction, you get good enough protection. I dropped my iPhone 15 Pro quite a few times in Pitaka case and nothing major happened. However, I do recommend pairing these thin and light cases with a screen protector to add extra protection for the display. Now that you know the features of the Pitaka cases, let's put on these cases and talk about their design. First up is the tactile woven case from Pitaka, and we have the Milky Way Galaxy version. It uses fusion weaving technology to weave multiple colored fibers, allowing for eye-catching patterns. It looks quite cool in person and is one of my favorite. Next up, we have the stealth black case, which has been my go-to option, but that has changed this year. Like all the other cases, this case fits with a satisfying snap. It looks clean and goes well with the natural titanium color variant of my iPhone 16 Pro. I love that Pitaka has color matched the camera ring with the phone color. It's also raised around the camera island, giving ample protection to the iPhone cameras. Next, we have my favorite color of this year, forest green. This is the case that surprised me the most. I was unsure how it would look on my iPhone, but after using it, I can tell you that it has become my favorite Pitaka case for the iPhone 16 Pro. It gives my iPhone a retro-esque aesthetic and I dig it. Like all the cases featured in this video, the left side had a big cutout for volume and action button, while the right side has two separate cutouts for side button and camera control. Since all these cases are so slim, I had no issue using the camera control button. It feels as natural to use as if the case was not there. Pitaka has also collaborated with Aries, a trendy brand for London, to create a new series of designer cases. The case has a woven glow-in-dark luminescent material which adds a cool look, but this is not my cup of tea. I mean, the case looks good, but it's not my favorite. Finally, I have the over-the-horizon tactile woven case. I like the design language of this case. The multi-tone finish of the case looks really good in person. Now that we have looked at all the cases, here's a look at all the cases side by side. Which one is your favorite? I hope this video helped you decide which case you want to buy for your iPhone 16 Pro. If you want a thin and light case, you can never go wrong with Pitaka's offering. As always, you can find all the product links in the video description. Let us know if you want to see more cases and accessories featured on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.